sensibility, and practicality define the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, skid plates, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.